Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving from New Kingston to the National Stadium. So drive with me. We're gonna look at a apartment complex that's under construction. Probably will be finished in another 2 months, 3 months. It's called the LOFT. Probably most of you guys know about it already, but it's another mega construction in Kingston. So for even persons looking for places to settle. But I think it's already sold out. But the location is good. It's right beside the stadium, so you'll have the view of the stadium. You'll also have the view of the mountain as well, and I guess if you're on the top floor you can also see the sea. So very good location. So that's where we're heading now, New Kingston to National Stadium, and then we'll just take a look at that construction, apartment complex construction. But while driving there, you really have to watch out for these taximen. You just have to practice some defensive driving, because they don't watch out for you. You have to watch out for them. So it does make sense. You can avoid an accident, and because you're right, you just let it happen, and then insurance issues. I think the best way to drive in Jamaica is defensively. But let me know what you guys think. Alright, so we have UCC on the right here. A relatively new building as well. Probably it's open 2 years, 3 years now. We also have Spanish Court. We just passed that. It's on the right as well. So we'll be taking, after we pass the stoplight, we'll be taking a left past the new AC Hotel, AC Marriott. I think that's a subsidiary of the Sandals Group. Where Adam Stewart is running, took over from his father, Garden Bush Stewart. So where we're heading there's a lot of apartment complex there as well. So great community, great area to reside in. So we'll take a left here, and we'll have AC Marriott Hotel just in front of us. We also have ATL Automotive. This is the BMW branch, and Mini Cooper. Apartment complex on the left. I think apartments are still for sale, so it's a for sale sign. And then we have the parking for AC Marriott on the right. This is additional parking for the hotel, and I think probably for BMW as well. So this is a nice community, a lot of apartment complex. This will bring us out to what's popular called Stanton Terrace. right, there's another apartment complex here. I don't think you guys can see it. There's an apartment complex right here. So this is Stanton Terrace. So take a right on Herb McKinley Drive. This will bring us down to the National Stadium. This is the National Stadium. So this is us on the left. The loft under construction. So as we see, windows are going in. Closer to the bottom, they're putting in their sidewalks and fixing up their entrance. Alright, so I'm gonna get some parking and then give you guys a better view. Alright, so this is the loft. As we see the sign there saying sold out by popular demand. So this look like at least 10 floors. And then we have the mountain view up here. Alright, so we see this project financed by Scotiabank. We see a lot of them getting financed by JMMB, some by Sagicor as well. So these banks are very smart. They know that they'll get a return on their investment. So once a developer can find an area and it makes sense, they know that they'll get back the money eventually. So it's a good business for the banks, real estate, apartment complex. And these high-rising 7th floor apartments are getting very popular. So at the back there we see another building. That one looks closer to being finished, painting, windows, and then this is the other one under construction. And then, as I said, over this side you have the National Stadium. it's a wider view from this side. So now they're putting in parking as well, and entrance, and sidewalks. Alright guys, this is where I wrap up the video. So this is the LOFT apartment complex opposite National Stadium. So they're just putting in sidewalk right now as well. I hope they don't disturb this little area over here. This is where other persons come to teach people to drive. It's free, it's open, it's accessible to everyone. So you can do your reversing. If you have cones, you can do your parallel parking as well. So it's a little spot that a lot of persons come to learn and others teach people to drive as well. So I hope they don't affect that. So leave your comments, like, share, and subscribe if you're new.